Hi, AD. I'm Danielle Vorlis, the design director for Soho House in the Americas, and you are the first person to visit Soho House Mexico City. Come on. Soho House first opened in Greek Street in 1995, and this is our first property in Latin America for Mexico City. So today I'll show you the interior of the Casa. We have our salon, which is our main club lounge that has very rich historical details. I'll also show you our atrium space for our restaurant. And then lastly, our sunken lounge speakeasy, which is in the basement of the Casa. Come on. Welcome to the salon of the Casa. In here, you'll see we have our existing spaces that were the living room of the original house. We've taken the liberty to create some bold colors in each of these rooms so that there's a series of context and layers. In each of these spaces, it's really about mixing the old with the new. That's through vintage, local, textiles, and ceramics. And this last room is our library. Where it's really kind of that space to come and work for the day into the evening. So using the history of the house has really anchored kind of the textures that we've really been inspired by, but really creating a new energy that's both creative, bold, and a little bit daring. We really wanted our first house in Latin America to be a strong identity that can stand, another 20 years. Welcome to the atrium of the Casa. This is our main restaurant space where members will have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This was a space we really wanted to celebrate the scale of the Casa. So mixing traditional shapes with our furniture and contemporary art, it gives a lot of energy to this space. But it's so important that it's comfortable. For our members, this should feel like their own home. So you want to sit and have dinner for hours, be really relaxed and enjoy the space. For Mexico City, we really wanted to focus on those jewel tones, the kind of that iconic, vibrant color that we see throughout the city. In this room specifically, you'll see our deep blues mixed with reds and dusty rose for the area. Here's Kina Padden, head of our art curation for the house. She's gonna walk you through our beautiful art collection.
Hola AD, welcome to Mexico City, Soho House. My name is Kina Padden. I'm one of the two co-curators for this collection. I worked with Kate Bryan, who's the global director for art for Soho House, on this wonderful amalgamation of Mexico City artists, and we're very excited to show you around. Here in the restaurant, we have this amazing, impactful space with a real gift of high ceilings, beautiful natural light. When we started curating this collection, the focus was going to be introducing our global members and our new Mexico City members to the vibrant art scene that exists here in Mexico City. This collection is going to encompass, by the end, over 150 different artworks. The idea is that a global member coming to this house can have an immediate sense of what's happening in the art scene here, and that local members are able to either revisit old favorites or discover new talent for themselves. One of the works we're so excited to present to local and global memberships is this wonderful painting by Ana Segovia. Welcome to the reception of Soho House Mexico City. I'm so excited to present to you this, for us, very long-awaited commission by Celeste. Celeste is an artist duo made up of Maria Fernanda Camarena and Gabriel Rosas Aleman. One thing we immediately loved was their color palette. Very earthy, natural, organic color tones. In fact, a lot of the colors that you see here are made with natural dyes. If you look carefully, each panel connects as one continuous drawing. But the way that the collaboration came about, they immediately did it to react to the space, taking into account the natural light, the historical architecture, and the surrounding elements. The effect overall is that you walk in and it feels like you are being hugged by this fabulous artwork. It's almost like returning to the womb, and I think that the members are gonna feel very comfortable, warm, and welcomed as soon as they walk into the space.
This is the most secret room of the Casa. Come, let me show you how we designed it. When we moved into the Casa, this was the wine cellar and an existing art collection of beautiful pieces. So we kept the existing footprint and created a series of lounge spaces for the members. This is really for that nighttime party zone, a little bit of a secret for our members, so that you can be cozy, have a drink, cocktail, and really feel like it's always been here. We maintained the existing finishes of the cellar, and then adding in our classic Soho details of art and sconces and furniture. Throughout the process, we've been really being honest to the materials, so we're really excited about our DJ vinyl bar that will be down in the Casa every night.
Welcome to the main bar of the Casa, a central point of the house that we think is going to be the perfect watering hole for our members and guests. Here we have 3 fabulous, strong pieces that also showcase our relationship with 3 wonderful galleries here in Mexico City. We have a piece here by Melanie Smith, with whom we collaborated via Proyecto Paralelo. We have this wonderful tapestry by Dr. Lacra, thanks to our relationship with Curi Mansuto. And over here at the side of the bar, we have Gabriel Rico with OMR. For us, the collection is really about integrating emerging artists with museum-level names and hoping to watch all of those careers blend together. This art collection serves as a love letter to the artists and makers and gallerists of Mexico City. We hope that they will see themselves reflected in the space, feel inspired by the space, and hopefully continue their relationship with us. As you'll see throughout the house, the art is hung quite democratically, no labels. We want members to experience the works for themselves, see what they connect to, and hopefully discover something new. Y ahora, gracias AD. Thanks for coming to visit us, and come back soon.